What's up, lifers? We're out here squirrel hunting this morning. I don't know how much the first one I got on video, but we got one little cat squirrel so far. Took me 45 minutes to find it. I'm out of practice. Not a bunch of them in here. There's a few. I think I may have got the kill footage on the big camera and I'm rolling the GoPro, so we will see. Come back when I see another one. Got the first one. Alright, lifers. We may get rained out on this one, but I'm going to show y'all what I'm doing. Got 2 quarters. Cup one in your one hand. You take the other and just tap on it. Sounds like a squirrel cutting nuts. They're not wanting to move much. That right there will make them stick their head out and whistle every once in a while. As we were fixing to get rained on hard. Watched the weather last night and this was not supposed to make it this far. And I just looked at the radar a few minutes ago and we are finna get hammered, but I'm not about 100 yards from my truck. It's right off a road on some government land. You can hear traffic right here. I was wanting to get enough to make some dumplings, but it looks like I might have to clean this one and just put it up and wait. I used to squirrel hunt every day during October when I was younger. Except for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, that's when I worked. Alright, I'll be back when we kill something else. You gotta have your coffee when you're out here squirrel hunting too. Diet Mountain Dew. Not sponsored, but you know, if you want to sponsor me, Mountain Dew, here I am for you. Usually you open that Diet Mountain Dew, they hear it, smell it, and they come running, climb in your squirrel shack for you. Skeeters ain't as bad as I thought they was gonna be, but they're not pleasant. And maybe that rain will hold off a few more minutes. I've seen a couple, they're working their way to me. I squirrel hunt different than most of them. It's so thick down here. You can't walk quiet even when it's wet. I find me a log on a high ridge and sit on it and scan and wait till they come to me. Got 2 good white oak trees, a couple pine trees close. They'll be in here cutting. Might have to get the rest of it on the GoPro because I see a couple way off. I'm going to try to ease over towards. Alright, I'm going to try to have you on video. I'm filming by myself. It's hard to tell. We got one little squirrel. I'll show y'all how I skin them. If Gunner will let me. You know, she's a natural born squirrel dog. There's several ways to skin a squirrel. This is the way I always do it. I mean, I know there's cut them from the tail and all that and that. The way my daddy taught me and my uncle, and this is the way I do it. Just make that cut along her back, get your fingers in there. I'm trying to keep it on the camera. That's right here. When you work it down to the legs, just pull them out. Stick your finger in through right there, just like skinning anything. Pull it out. Come up here and do the same thing to the head. Work the skin up, work the skin up. I tried to head shoot it and I shot it a little far back. Slide it down, slide it down. You have it right there. Take your knife. Break it. This ain't the way I usually do it, but I don't know where my tools are at. Alright, yeah, dude. Just a second, I'll be right back. I take these side cutters, wire dikes, whatever you want to call them, smash, 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 smash. Come and do the same thing to the tail. Take my hide and throw it in there. Come up here, cut the head off. Cut all the meat around it. Some people eat the squirrel brains. I'm not like that old school. Twist it off. Bam. Throw that in the bag. Come down here. Cut his old gonads off. Bam. Take your knife. Split him all the way. Not the best job I've ever done. First squirrel I've cleaned in about 10 years. Probably hasn't been that long, but it's been a while. Grab all its guts, heart, lung, rest of its guts. Don't bust the blood if you can keep from it. Got everything out of there. I'll throw it in a bowl. I'll let it soak in water till I get ready to cook it. Since we just got one, I'm going to let this one soak in water for a couple hours and I'll put it in the freezer. We're going to go back probably tomorrow or the next day, try to get a couple more. I want to get enough to do squirrel dumplings. That'll be a different video. But I'll be back just a second. Alright. One squirrel. It was kind of sad hunt. I don't know if y'all can hear it. It's still raining. I couldn't stay in the woods as long as I wanted to. The other spot I went to was crap. There's already a couple people down there hunting. I did run into a subscriber though. Thank you. I hope you watch it, Cody. And hope y'all catch some crappie. They were going down there to where I usually bass fish. They were finna go to crappie fish. But Gunner's trying to help me film. She wants to squirrel something first. Like I say, I'm gonna try to go back later, probably Monday or Wednesday, and kill a couple more, where I can have enough to cook squirrel dumplings, my style squirrel dumplings. Y'all enjoy that. That'll be a separate video. Hope y'all learned how to skin a squirrel if you didn't know. Hope y'all liked it. Give me a thumbs up. It doesn't have to be a bloody thumbs up, but a thumbs up. Gotta go wash my hands, soak this in water, and then freeze it till it gets a few more. Everywhere I hunt, I've cut so much timber it's hard to get in there and see the ground. It took me 10 minutes to find that one when I shot it. I was walking back to get the big camera when I seen it. I put it to you like that. That and my eyes ain't what they used to be. Finding them. If they sit still, they're safe. They keep moving, they're in trouble. Alright, like, share, subscribe, and y'all know what else. We got